Here, chicken, 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 chicken. Oh, I got you cornered now. I got you. Oh, wait, maybe not. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? There it is. Yeah, chicken, chicken, chicken. Croom, 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 croom. Nope. Nope. Where are you going? No, it doesn't. It's coming to me now. Oh, it just took a shit. See, you saw that? I scared the shit out of it. Oh, see? Here, the chicken's talking shit now. No. Oh look, he's calling his homie. He's calling his homie. Where is he now? Oh, see? They're a pair. Oh. That's the rooster, the male. And this is his wife over here that we're harassing a little bit. I mean, we're just looking at it. We're not actually doing anything towards the chicken. Yeah. You can tell just by the pattern. This one's a female, I think. I'm not a chicken expert. Alright, everybody.